I'm gonna be doing a morning routine. Yes, this is how I usually look. Good morning. Firstly is I try not to wake up Lucas because Lucas would be usually still asleep. So I'm trying not to wake up Lucas, which he is not right here because this is not a real morning routine. This is just a reenactment of a morning routine. Come on, Face ID, I'm not that different. First thing I like to check is YouTube. Let's see what OnlyFans has to offer me. This is one of my favorite shows, and also I just love listening to the songs, so I usually love to play one of those videos in the morning. Destiny of Whitesnake. Time to get out of bed. Now normally I would have little Lucas sitting right here, or not, eating his breakfast. A lovely green smoothie with lots of good stuff in it. But he has gone to school, therefore that's the only time I really get to film. I used to wonder why people made beds because I thought it was a waste of time. But ever since I've been doing it, I just find that it is so awesome. Like, making beds just makes it really exciting to climb into it at night because it's all beautiful and neat and you just want to like dive right in and like rest and just looks so lovely. And making the bed also makes it hard for you to just want to climb back into bed. I just find that it's awesome. So yeah, making my bed is something I have to do each day now. And then I do my skincare routine, which I usually do either in the bath or on the sink. And I like to use the Decor thingy facial whatever acne thingy majiggy thing to wash my face. I tend to change my face washing really regularly just because I just like to see what works. I'm trying out the Ordinary range at the moment. I'm doing a 2-month experiment to see how it is, so that's what I'm just trying to use at the moment, just to clear up my acne-prone skin, which I really don't like very much. I'm just dabbing it on my chin because that's the spots that I tend to break out the most, so I really don't dab that product on other parts of my face, like my, forehead, because I really don't have that much problem. And Benzac, 10% is the benzoyl peroxide, 10%. I use that on the really huge severe pimples that I have on my face at the moment. So yeah, those are just spot treatments and they actually really help get rid of that giant pimple if I have one. Now time to cut some lemon for my awesome lemon water drink that I like to make in the morning. Oh yeah, lemon water. But in reality, we just use the bloody lemon juice. I mean, who has bloody time to cut a lemon each day, right? And then I do a bit of exercise. Recently, I've been really trying to do that HIIT exercise where I'm like running like crazy for like 30 seconds and then I'm just resting. And lots of jumps and random these are just some of the exercises that I like to do. I usually do about 20 each if I don't, cark over and die from lack of air. And yeah, I just do 20 or more if I can handle it, but usually 20 or 10. Sometimes I do 5 if I really can't handle it. I just do these exercises in the morning. I don't like to do it in the evening or supper time because I don't know, it just feels like a task that I should get out of the way because it's so tiring, and it's really good to do that before you have a shower so you can wash off all the sweat. And remember what I did or not done. And now doing the planking, which is quite hard for me. I cannot even do that for over 30 seconds at a time. So sometimes it's good to take breaks in between and just rest up. As you can see, I am
tired.
Dead.
Playing with my fat.
I am in a pool of sweat, but I'm too tired. What I would do, usually at this point, is lie down and have a rest.
Gonna take a shower, wash off all the sweat. Gonna take a shower, shower. So I can feel all refreshed. I'm cutting up some fruits, even though sometimes I eat the fruits in the evening, sometimes I eat the fruits later in the day. Today I'm just gonna cut some fruits and have a massage because, yep, all that exercise has really made my back extremely sore, and this massager I got just recently and I love it. It feels so nice and it's such a relaxing thing to just sit down and let it massage you, and it even has like a heat function to like make it extra lovely. Okay, gotta make the hair a bit messy because, you know, can't do a morning routine video without messing up my hair because then it might look unnatural. Very awkward trying to snore when you're holding a camera right in front of your face.